All right, we are going to pause this for a second, bring in our guest for this hour to talk about what we're seeing so far. This is National Trial Attorney Michael Jaafar. Michael, thank you for joining us. Michael, just watching her, I mean, my take, Ted and I were talking, I don't even know if it really matters how well or not well she comes across, because I think the evidence is there to find him, the defendant, guilty. What's your take on what you're seeing so far from her on the stand?
That's exactly what my analysis was when I was looking at that. And I always tell people, look, if the jury's comprised of robots and computers, you'll get a different outcome most of the time, except for when it's comprised of human beings. Because human beings are going to look at the defendant. They're going to see the tattoo on the eye. They're going to see pictures of the daughter. They're going to see, at a very minimum, this girl perished through neglect. At a very minimum, like that's the best they can hope a jury would ever believe. And even then, she's in your custody. She's in your care. You're her father. Adam Montgomery was not her mom. And so, yes, I agree with you, Kelly. He's going to jail for the rest of his life.
Again, he's a no-show in court today. Does that, him being there, would that change anything? Does his absence matter, do you think?
I don't think it helps. I don't think it helps that he's not there, because that is the narrative of the case. You were not there for your daughter, and you're not here for the trial, right? So
like
you know,
closing argument, big case, Mike.
Closing argument, I like it. Yeah, I know he has a public defender, and she's doing as best of a job as she could. I used to tell my clients, if you have a tattoo on your face, you're covering it up before a jury sees you. You have to cover it up before a judge sees you. You have to cover it up before a sentencing. And so, you know, for me, I always stick to that. And so when I saw this trial coming down the pipeline a couple of weeks ago, I said he's going to jail for the rest of his life.
Yeah, I think so too. All right, Michael, thank you so much. We are going to get in a quick break.